Lesson 30. Harimas. Put up, post, paste. Example. Pusta o harimas. I will put up the poster. Kakimas. Hang. Kabi ni kakimas. I will hang it on the wall. Kazarimas. Display. Decorate. Hiya o kazarimas. I will decorate the room. Narabimas. Arrange. Line up. Hon o narabimas. I will arrange the books. Oimas. Plant. Hana o oimas. I will plant flowers. Modoshimas. Return. Put back. Hon o modoshimas. I will return the book. Shimaimas. Put things away. Mono o shimaimas. I will put the things away. Kimimas. Decide. Yute o kimimas. I will decide on the schedule. Yushu shimasu. Prepare one's lesson. Yushu shimasu. I will prepare my lesson. Fukushu shimasu. Review one's lesson. Fukushu shimasu. I will review my lesson. Sonomama ni shimasu. Leave things as they are. Sonomanma ni shimasu. I will leave it as it is. Jogyo class. Jogyo wa tanoshii desu. The class is fun. Kogi lecture. Kogi o okimasu. I will attend the lecture. Kaigi meeting. Kaigi ga arimasu. There is a meeting. Yute plan schedule. Yute o tatimasu. I will make a plan. Oshirasi. Oshirasi ga arimasu. There is a notice. Guidebook. Guidebook. Guidebook o kaimasu. I will buy a guidebook. Kalenda. Calendar. Kalenda o mimasu. I will look at the calendar. Pusta. Poster. Pusta o harimasu. I will put up the poster. Yoteyo schedule. Yoteyo o tsukurimasu. I will create a schedule. Gomibako. Trash can. Dustbin. Gomibako o kara ni shimasu. I will empty the trash can. Nengyo doll. Nengyo tsukurimasu. I will make a doll. Cabin. Vase. Cabin ni hana o eremasu. I will put flowers in the vase. Kagami. Mirror. Kagami o mimasu. I will look in the mirror. Ikidashi. Drawer. Ikidashi o akimasu. I will open the drawer. Genkan. Front door. Porch. Entrance hall. Genkan ni kotso no gimasu. I take off my shoes at the entrance. Ruka. Corridor. Hallway. Ruka o soji shimasu. I will clean the hallway. Kabe. Wall. Kabe o norimasu. I will paint the wall. Ike. Pond. Ike ni sakana ga imasu. There are fish in the pond. Moto no tokoro. Original place. Moto no tokoro ni modoshimasu. I will return it to the original place. Mawari. Round. Around. Mawari o mimasu. I will look around. Manaka. Center. Manaka ni okimasu. I will place it in the center. Sumi. Corner. Sumi ni okimasu. I will put it in the corner. Mada. Still. Mada o watte imasen. It is not finished yet. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!